Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, October 4th, 2017. Well, it's another beautiful day out there with high pressure sitting right over the region, and that's leading to temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior and upper 50s to lower 60s in your suburbs, lower to mid 60s along the coast and in your urban areas. Notice the winds are starting to develop out of the southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. That will increase to 5 to 15 miles per hour as we move on through the day. And the reason why is that high pressure will be shifting off the coast and developing a nice, strong southwesterly flow throughout the atmosphere, leading to much warmer temperatures. When we take a look at the radar, pretty much it is high and dry out there, not much really going on. And on the infrared satellite picture, it kind of tells the story of what is evolving here. We have high pressure that is currently right over the region, producing clear skies to sky cloud cover. This high pressure system will shift off the coast and lead to a southwesterly flow over the region. Now that southwesterly flow will warm us up, but a cold front will be on the way. This cold front, though, is going to be stalling out as it is approaching the region. It'll stall out right over our neck of the woods, but doesn't have a lot of moisture to work with. So as a result, we pretty much end up with scattered cloud cover and isolated to scattered showers tomorrow and for Friday, and that's going to continue to be a theme as we head on through this weekend. Not a washout in any way, shape, or form, but certainly watch out for a passing shower or two. And then we have to watch the Gulf Coast. Now, let's dive into this forecast. For today, scattered cloud cover is expected. Temperatures will rise into the upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, lower to mid 70s in your urban areas. For this evening, look for scattered cloud cover increasing towards the morning with the threat for an isolated shower or two. Look for lows in the lower to mid 60s. For tomorrow afternoon, that cold front will start to stall out. We'll also watch a little weak trough that's going to be hanging around the Delaware River Valley, and that's going to produce a threat for a few isolated, widely scattered showers. These showers will be capable of producing a heavy downpour or two. Temperatures will rise into the mid 70s on Long Island and upper 70s to lower 80s for the rest of the region. For Friday, that cold front again stalls out, sits around, and we have a few mid-level short waves that are going to be rotating through the region tomorrow. That's going to lead to the threat, or should I say Friday, that's going to lead to the threat for scattered showers throughout the region. Again, not a washout, but a few showers could produce a heavy downpour or two. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s for lows, lower to mid 70s for highs on Long Island, upper 70s to lower 80s throughout the rest of the region. On Saturday, that frontal boundary lifts north as a warm front with the threat for a few widely scattered isolated showers. Scattered cloud cover most likely by the time we get to the afternoon hours. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to mid 60s for lows. Look for mid 70s for highs on Long Island, upper 70s to lower 80s for the rest of the region. On Sunday, a cold front will approach the region. Meanwhile, we'll have to watch out what should be a tropical storm, possibly Hurricane Nate, moving towards the Gulf Coast. Impact areas anywhere from Louisiana to the Panhandle of Florida. We'll watch that very carefully. That low pressure system is going to be making landfall and end up in the southeast by the time we get to Sunday night. Why is that important? Keep an eye on it. Meanwhile, we have a cold front that's going to be approaching the region with a few isolated showers for our neck of the woods. On Sunday, look for lows in the mid to upper 60s, highs in the mid 70s on Long Island, upper 70s to lower 80s everywhere else. On Monday, the remnants lifts up towards either the Tennessee River Valley or the southern Mid-Atlantic. We'll watch that very carefully. It's going to lead to some very heavy rainfall in this region, an increase in cloud cover for us, with a few isolated showers in the northern Mid-Atlantic. Meanwhile, another strong cold front will be approaching from the plains and the upper Midwest. Now, this cold front will interact with the remnants of this short wave, or the remnants of what will be Nate, and that's going to lead to the potential for some very heavy rainfall on Tuesday, with temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and mid to upper 70s for highs. The cold front starts to clear the region on Wednesday with showers in the morning followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Temperatures a bit cooler. Look for lows in the mid 60s, highs in the lower to mid 70s early in the afternoon, but then falling off into the 60s and 50s as that cold front exits. So certainly a lot to watch out for this weekend on through early next week, with the potential for a heavy rain event for Tuesday, producing anywhere from a half an inch to as much as 2 inches of rain. We'll watch that very carefully and see how that evolves. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA Weather, and as always, stay safe out there.